So when it comes to home decor and design, I think budget is probably most of our biggest obstacles. So that's why I wanted to show you guys how you can still design a space, but just get creative and do it affordably. So I thought this would be the perfect makeover to bring you guys along with. So I'm going to show you how we are going to redesign my friend's room here. Plus, we do have a design challenge in this room that I thought would be another good lesson to show you guys how we can overcome it. So if you're interested in seeing how this room turns out, then stay tuned. Y'all know we don't like to get our hair all frizzy. So we're gonna wrap it up because I am already sweating. All right, now we are ready. Look, if you guys are not familiar with the African American hair type, when we sweat, sometimes it will poof out. We are avoiding the poof today. So we are wrapping it so we can get to work. So yesterday actually ended up taking a lot longer than I thought. Y'all, I really thought I was going to be able to come in and throw up those curtains and be done in like 15-20 minutes. But in true IKEA fashion, everything is not quite that simple. It literally took me hours to get these curtains up. But this is the design dilemma that I was telling you guys about. So some of you may be facing something like this. So as you saw in the beginning shot, these two windows on this wall are not centered at all, and it just made it feel like you really couldn't put the bed there because it would look off. However, I said, listen, we're not going to allow these windows to dictate our design. The bed worked best on this wall because we would have room for a nightstand and some other things that we're going to be putting in. So I decided to put up curtains across the whole wall. So even though you can still see the windows, it's not as prominent as it was when there were no curtains across the whole wall. So being that I put those curtains across, we were able to put the bed right in the center, and now it is a less noticeable eyesore, if you will. So after I got the curtains put in, I went ahead and moved the bed over, put the rug down, and brought in the nightstand, which brings me to my first tip. Of course, when you're trying to do a budget-friendly DIY, we are going to shop where? Everybody knows, say it all together. At the thrift stores. When we're talking budget friendly, we are going to shop our thrift stores because you can really find some great deals. So yes, I was able to find this brand new nightstand, brand new, y'all, for 75 bucks. So now that we got these things in place and off the other wall, I'm going to go ahead and put in the other curtains, which should not take me long because now I pretty much know how it goes. So this shouldn't take me long at all. And then we get to the fun stuff, bringing in the decor. Okay, not so bad. That one only took about 45 minutes. All right, y'all, I'm done. I have sweated, but it's all good because we have redecorated and reconfigured this room for really low cost. And I just think it looks great. So here you go. Y'all can take a look. All right, so there we have it. We did it, you guys. We are done. This room was all of $500, and in this economy, if you know how much things are costing, that is a steal. And remember, for this room, we literally started with nothing but the bed, and then we shopped her house, number one, which I should have said number one to begin with. Shop your house, you guys. We found so much stuff. We were able to pull the desk, the bench, and the mirror from other places in her home. Also some of the pillows that we had. In addition to shopping your house, a pro tip is, you guys, use those gift cards that have been in your wallet for over a year. My mom is so guilty of this. We will give my mom a gift card and she will not use it forever. Use those gift cards. You will be surprised. Or remember those gift cards that you had that you did use but you had some extra cash left on them? Check them. You got money on that, girl. Go use it. And then of course, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Now in this room, I really didn't have to do too many DIYs or anything like that. We were considering it, but of course, do not be afraid to get in there and paint yourself or try to upcycle some furniture yourself. If you have old pieces that you may just think are useless, put a fresh coat of paint on it. It'll save you hundreds of dollars. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What's the cheapest amount you've been able to redo a room for? I'm just curious. So let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.